Hello, everyone. Today we're going to learn how to get started with Mailchimp and integrate Mailchimp into our Manychat. So first you want to understand that this is where your emails are hosted. So you want to click sign up for free after you go to Mailchimp.com. You want to put your email, and you can put your username, and you can put a password. Make sure you write that down, because look at that, I'm already gonna forget. So once you log into your Mailchimp, you'll need to put your verification code. So you'll get that via email. Make sure that you submit it. And then everything is inside Mailchimp. So when you're signing up, it's fine just to start with free, and then click complete. You want to integrate it with your Facebook, which we are going to do. And then you can find your marketing path. You can say, okay, let's do that. Does your customers interact with your business through your apps or software? Yes. Do you sell things online? Yes. Do you support booking ticket sales online? Do you want people to talk one-on-one with a person? Sometimes, I'm sure some people want to do that. Do you make money off the content off your site, like a blog? I'm going to put no on that. I measure success by people booking appointments, getting tickets, or making reservations, or people reaching out via call, chat, or visiting my location. So you can choose whichever one works for you. And then you want to stay in the loop. You can subscribe to any of these that you want. This would be for e-commerce stores and podcasts, etc. So once you are there, you can connect your store, you can start adding emails or add contacts. The first thing I like to do is, so we're going to skip that, is I don't want to design the first email, but I do want to make sure that we have our contacts set up. And you'll do this in audiences. So you want to click on top audiences, and you can import other audiences, you can create landing pages, etc. But I want to manage the audiences. And what I want to do is make sure that we create one audience. Okay. So you want to have at least one audience so people can sign up for this audience is called the business medium. It's already set up. We'll just leave it as that audience. So you can import more contacts or not. Now we want to integrate Mailchimp with Manychat. So I want you to go to Manychat. You're going to go into your integrations and settings. And here you connect your Mailchimp account. So you have your username, your password, and click next. And then you go down and you make sure that this is connected. So step 2, you want to link identity field. So you want to click here and you want to create a new custom field. You can also, I've been using is the email field. So I'm going to put email. The type is text, and you click create. So now you know the custom field is email. So when you're integrating this with Zapier, it's going to know that every time someone connects with you, they're going to put their email. You can also integrate ConvertKit, HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, each of these. I'm using Mailchimp because Mailchimp is a free service, and as you're starting your business, having free services helps greatly. So one of the ways to also integrate your email provider and build other workflows is integrating Zapier. So I want you to go to Zapier, Zapier.com. And then you want to make sure you're logged into your Facebook and click continue with Facebook. And then you want to make sure that's your name, click continue. And then you can you can say, okay, what am I doing? I'm a business owner, click continue. And then it will give you some zaps that you'll be able to use. So a lot of people use zaps in their Facebook page. I'm going to click on Mailchimp because we are using Mailchimp, and we might be able to use Gmail and some other items. But for now, let's just click on Mailchimp and click Finish Setup Apps. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in connect this app, Manychat, with Mailchimp. And the nice thing is you're going to see here, add Manychat subscriber to Mailchimp. You could do that. Very easy. Okay, so you can click try this, and then it's going to help you connect your Zap. Okay, now that you are here, you want to search your Manychat account. So find your Manychat account. And this says this account is expired, reconnect here. So I'm going to reconnect it. Connect. Once you connect it, you're going to click continue. And you're going to choose your custom field. So what I do is I put email because email is my custom field. So make sure you put your email there because that is what you're going to connect. Once somebody gives Manychat their email, you're going to hit continue. You can hit test and review. And it will tell you it pulled in the custom field about 6 seconds ago. So that is working. So you're done editing that. Now you're going to update your Mailchimp. You want to find your Mailchimp zaps. Okay, so find your Mailchimp account. Click continue. And then for the audience, you want to find the audience you have. So I'm putting Facebook training opt-in. And I'm going to put here email because this is the custom email field, or you can hit the plus sign and click on updated email. I'm actually going to delete that. Click the plus and click user custom field email. Okay, double opt-in. I'm going to put no. Update existing, yes. Replace groups, I'm leaving that. You can add it to a group if you want. If there's a group you want to add it to, go ahead. I don't have groups in my Mailchimp. First name, you can add that. But really, all I want is the email. So once you connect that, you will see you can send a test email. So it's testing. Okay, and it says a test subscriber was sent to Mailchimp in about 7 seconds. It says it subscribed me to my Mailchimp. So now it says Zap is ready, turn it on now. You would just click this button and turn it on. Okay, and then click done editing. Now you can go to your Zaps and you can see all the different Zaps that are on.